What's up, all you out there in YouTube space? Welcome back. Today we're gonna do something a little differently. I'm gonna start doing this more. So I think the most popular video on my channel right now is my Magnificent Mavens opening. And so I got another display of Magnificent Mavens, and this is, you know, this is coming from Four Horsemen on TCG Player. Yeah, so the seller is Four Horsemen Comics and Gaming, and it looks like they did a great job packing this. We're gonna unpack it right now. We're gonna open it up. Flip. They were like, "You're not getting into it either." You know, give them their due, basically. Wow, got packing tape on the top. Look at that right there. My goodness, they really did a great job. I think this is officially the best packing job I've had, for sure. No doubt. No doubt, the best packing job. Right there. Oh, get in the camera. All right, we're gonna toss the box. That was everything in the box right there. That right there. Boom. I mean, it looks good. Oh, you know, my lights are pretty dim. Let's turn them up. Didn't notice my lights were actually really dim there. But yeah, I mean, not seeing anything wrong or strange. It actually looks. The display itself looks very, like, intact. Usually sometimes they'll have the, like, this part will be kind of, you know, mushed in or whatever. But no, this one's pristine. So shout out to them. So shout out to Four Horsemen on TCG Player. Nice. Well, y'all already know it's time to get into it. All right, first pack. Yeah. I didn't open it right, but that's okay. Oh. Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon. Alrighty. So we got Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon, Witchcraft Confusion Confession, Doom Dozer, and we got a Gishadokuro, the Skeletal Mayakashi, and then we got Shiri Ranui. Okay, interesting. I don't know any of that, but I'm here for it. Oh, it's another one. Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon, Keldo, the Beautiful Princess, and Sword Soul Auspice. Oh, we got a Sky Striker Mecha Modules. Okay, this might be worth some green right here. Get a lot of sideways printed cards. Oh, a Blackluster Soldier, Soldier of Chaos. Nice. Got a Sky Striker token. DD Savant Kepler. Instant Fusion, and this one's been hit by the chompy thing that compresses the cards. That's unfortunate. And Elder Entity. Nice. Slipping all over the place. God darn it. Dag nabbit. Uh-oh. Dragon Necro. Nether Soul Dragon. Sort of looks like Frieza's, like, not final form, but like the one before his final. No. Yeah, the form before is like final form with like the long head. That's what this card reminds me of. AI Lyrion, or I don't know how you say that. Shadow Imprisoning Mirror. Chaos Hunter and Dark Soul Token. Can I open it upside down? Yeah, I did. That's okay. Oh. Sword Soul of Mo Yi. Oh, Witchcraft. Vice Madam. Nice, got another Vice Madam. Draco back. A Hero Lives. Anti-spell fragrance. Anti-spell fragrance. Oop. Turn around. Trap Tricks Sarah. Mudan, the Sword Oracle. Dark Calling. Hajun, the Winged Mayakashi. What's a Mayakashi? I don't know. Secret Village of the Spellcasters. And that's it. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's get something good. Show me a secret or something. Show me something. Change of Heart. Ghost. What does it say? Ghost meets girl. Okay, it's really small font. Non-fusion area. Anti-spell fragrance. Metal reflect slime. Classic. Nope, it's upside down. We got another Dragon Necro. We got a Yuki Onna. We got a Sword Soul Assessment. Instant Fusion. What's this? Riliona. The Magius of Viri. I think that's what that says. I think that's what that say. God darn it. The Iris Sword Soul. Sky Striker Ace Zeke. Or just Zeke. Draco back. Sky Striker Mecha. Scapegoat. Moving on. Oh man. This might be the worst one. I don't think we pulled anything good so far, but you know, we got more packs. Let's see. Maybe this will be a strong finish. Ice Dragon's Prison. Oh, okay. Well, here's a. I learned this one. This card is worth some money, like $10 or something. Sky Striker Mobility. Linkage. Light Imprisoning Mirror. And Sword Soul Sinister Sovereign. I got a lot of Sinister Sovereigns, and yeah, he's like $2 or something like that. And a Scapegoat. Show me a Starlight or something. Is there Starlights in here? I think there's Starlights in this set. Oh, we got 1,000 Eyes Restrict. Oh no, pardon me. Millennium Eyes Restrict. My bad. That's a cool card. That's going in the binder. Scales though. What if I pulled down the first one? I can't remember. Sword Soul Assessment. Exchange of Spirit. And Nightmare Servers. Oh, hey, nice. The infinite impermanence. I'll take it. Oh, it's got like a line through the middle. That sucks, but I'll take it. We got ourselves another witchcraft vice madam. Doom Dozer. Sword Souls. Sacred Summit. And Sky Striker Mecha. I don't know how much this is worth. Incredible Excelsior. The Virtuous. Okay. Witchcraft Confusion Confession.
Nope.
Ah, darn it. Try it again. Oh, look at this. It's got like a... That misprint is yucky. Right there. Therion Bull. Ein. Dragon Maid. Changeover. And... Mayakashi Return. But, yeah. We're moving down the line here, guys. We're moving down the line. Oh, what's this? Oh. I didn't get this one last time. I don't think so. Barrel Sword Dragon. Surgical Striker. Shadow Impermanent. And Shadow Imprisoning Mirror. Metal Reflect Slime. And Instant Fusion. Come on, come on, come on. Yata Garasu. That's an iconic card right here. Wonder how much he's worth. Blast Held by Destiny. Shadow Imprisoning Mirror. Witchcraft Creation. Witchcrafter Creation. Okay. Cat Shark. That's it. I must have had a great pull last time. I'm not even sure. Number 93, Utopia Kaiser. Agito. DD Savant Kepler. Mizuki. Yeah, Mizuki, another iconic card. And Sky Striker Mech Modules. It's a lot. Alright. Moving on, moving on, moving on. Moving on. Oh. Got another Blue Eye. Oh, no. I know, actually, haven't seen this one before. Blue Eyes Abyss Dragon. Nice. Keldo. Ah, crap. Try it again. Keldo. Golden Match. Sword Soul Sinister Sovereign. And Sword Soul of Taya. Oh yeah, I did get two, like, what did I get? Two. Oh, Harpy's Feather Duster. Look at that. We got ourselves a Harpy's Feather Duster. Wow. What's going right about here? Mudora, the Sword Oracle. Dark Calling. Sword Soul Strategist. Long Yun. Daki. The Graceful Mayakashi. Alright. Second from the last pack here, guys. Leave a like to send me the good energy. We need something good right here. Leave a like, subscribe for the pool energy. Okay, let's see. Alright. We got an incredible Incredible Excelsior. Get my hand out of the way. Witchcraft Confusion Confession. Golden Match. And a G Golem token. Sword Soul of Taya. I don't know, my dude. Oh, we got ourselves a Barrel Sword Dragon. Yuki-Onna. Doom Dozer. Oh, Sky Striker Ace Ray. And Sword Soul Supreme Sovereign. Okay. And that's it. Alright guys, this is our main haul right here. I tried to pick out the stuff that was worth more than $1, so there you go. Some good stuff, but I can't say it was better than my first go around. But, you know, leave a comment. Do you think this pool go around? You're probably gonna be like, no, absolutely not. But hey, leave a comment. Let me know. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching.